Hi, I'm Phil, one of the chemists here at Simoniz Research and Development Centre. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our Simoniz Back to Black tyre shine. Sometimes, despite your best cleaning efforts, tyres can still look worn and faded. If you find this is the case, we have a great product here at Simoniz called Back to Black tyre shine, which is really easy to use. Brake dust is almost invisible on tyres, but it can still make them look old and worn. Make sure you clean the tyres first with soapy water and an old sponge. Once they are thoroughly dry, you can then apply Back to Black tyre shine to restore your tyres and give them a glossy, wet look finish. For a new tyre look, I use a dry sponge that won't be used on the rest of the car. Simply spray the tyre shine evenly over each of the tyres in an arc motion and then use the sponge to spread it across the complete tyre sidewall. This will help get your tyres looking as good as new. For really long lasting protection, spray a little more Back to Black tyre shine over the surface and get that wet look finish.